Christmas.
We are
Almost.
going into the snow.
And it's very, very
cold out
very,
there.
very snowy.
This is the blizzard of 2009, and it's officially Sunday of Christmas week at Cowboy Mansion. And you are now going to encounter the deepest snow you've ever seen in your lives. Go! Go through the front door. Go. If you can even get the door open.
It will be deep, but it's not going to be the deepest we've ever seen.
Oh, I don't know about that, sir.
What about the hidden
Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, we had our first falls, ladies and gentlemen. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. A do-do-do-do.
It goes up to my knees in this.
Walking in the winter wonderland. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Somebody cover me in snow.
What do you think, sir?
I think it's good.
Let's make a snowman.
Let's have a snowball fight.
All right, that'd be great action.
No, how about
3,
we make a fort?
2, 1, and go. And she's on. There's 5,000. Oh, there's 15,000 internet votes, ladies and gentlemen. This is the first Little Pals snowball fight of the century here in Blizzard 2009. What are they going to do, and how are they going to do it? Nobody knows. But ooh, there's 2 ganging up on little Nicholas. Ooh, it's a lot of powder out there, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of drama today during Blizzard 2009, the Blizzathon. This is Snowman's Land, everybody. Nobody's going to take those Little Pal shenanigans here during Blizzard 2009. And Nico is really turning it on. He is really throwing, Biggie Pal is really throwing it to Headband. And now he turns his attention to Woo Woo Eyes. And here we go. And the Kingmaker comes in from the left, and bam, he's down. And with 150,000 internet votes now cast, today's Little Bitch Snow Baby is Nicholas. Ooh, that's a tough beat for Nicholas. Do you have any comments after this harsh, vindictive vendetta from the internet voters?
I'd be the thing.
Well, we never know, but what do you think about Blizzard 2009? Cool or not? Oh my God.
I'll give you a hint.
Oh no. 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 Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, for the Little Pals and Nicholas and Cowboy, this is Blizzard 2009. Enjoy, everybody.
Do not cover me with snow.
Enjoy.